Hello, today I'm going to show you how to log in to the GoMath online portal in case you would like to do some of the GoMath lessons online if you do not have access to the workbook. So there are a lot of steps to this, so I'm going to try to break it down as slow as possible, but please reach out to me if you have questions. So to get to the GoMath online portal, you have to go to this website up at the top. It's www.k6.thinkcentral.com. I know that's a lot, but that is just the name of the website where GoMath is. So when you get there, you're going to see this login box, and this is the same login box for students and teachers. So you want to make sure that you have to fill in all of this information exactly as I have it. The country is going to be United States. State is Georgia. For district, you want to click private school. Even though we are not a private school, that's just what we are entered as in here. So private school. And then you're going to click under school name. You're going to look for Brookhaven Innovation Academy. So make sure that all of that is correct or it will not log you in. Right now, my information is saved, but I'm going to log in as a student. And if you need your login information, I can send it to you. All of our students have been given specific logins and passwords, so I will have to email those out to you. Once that's done, it might be easy just for you to click Remember School, so it will remember all this information and you don't have to enter it every time. You're going to click Login. And this is what it will look like when you log in. So you'll see a few different things. Excuse me. The only thing you want to log in on is My Library, okay? I don't use this in the classroom, so I'm not assigned students things to do. We use Freckle for the rest of our things in math, so this is really just supplemental. To access the workbook, you want to go to My Library. Now, students are welcome to look at anything that is listed in here. So some of these are really great. This interactive student edition is wonderful because it shows some little interactive math lessons. So if students want to watch that first before they do the workbook pages, that's helpful. I'm going to see if I can open this up. For example, if we're on chapter 5 in addition, you could click on any one of these, and let's say before you start lesson 5.5, you could click on this and it will open up a little movie player to show students a short movie, okay? Same thing, these GoMath animated math models with Curious George are really fun. We show those in class sometimes, so that would be really helpful to students to kind of get an idea about what we're doing before they start. Now, to get to the actual workbook, you want to click on GoMath Student Edition, and it's got a book as the icon. So you want to click on that. It's going to pop out in a new window. Okay, and this is the basically what the GoMath workbook looks like. It's just uploaded in PDF format, okay? Now, this is going to be a little bit different. Students are not going to be able to complete every single problem. You want to look for this camera icon, okay? So when you see the camera icon, that lets you know that this is a problem students can do on their own. You're going to click on it, and a box will pop up down here. And it asks the question down here. For example, for this one, it's asking how many red cubes. So they would count and type the number here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, plus how many blue cubes. 1 equals 10. Okay. So that's what they would have to do to answer the questions. Again, not every activity has a way for you to do that, for example. So on this one, you have to click the camera button. And basically what it's doing is it's just allowing you to digitally answer the problem. So for this one, it wants you to answer the question, 8 plus what equals 10? The answer is 2. And actually, if you hit the scroll arrow, it will actually let you fill in the rest of the problems. So that is one way to do it. You could click this My Notebook and it can save your work. So basically, as you're going through on each page, you want to look for this camera icon. That's what you want to click on to be able to do the work. Okay? So I know that's a lot of steps. I hope that was helpful. And please reach out to me if you have any questions.